I think we do a lot of things, and personally, I believe it's our personal involvement. We are a resource, so when our clients, it goes in sync with building the relationships with your clients as far as those personal relationships. So when one of my clients calls me and they're asking me about, hey, I was wondering about, we're getting our pavement redone. Do you know someone? You better believe I'm gonna get on the phone and help them with resources. Obviously, we're in the industry to where we talk to other vendors that are maintaining buildings, and so I try to provide phone numbers, people I may know in the market that do a good job that'll help save them money. I mean, I try to go above and beyond, and what I really think is important is when I talk about resource. I feel like it's so important to be a resource as far as, helping look at their company, how their company operates, and help them develop a cleaning plan, a floor plan, a facility plan that's gonna help them save money, but also deliver exceptional service, right?